This magnificent Buckhead mansion is in a small gated community on the prestigious West Paces Ferry Road, just down the street from the Georgia Governor's Mansion, as well as the homes of Atlanta luminaries like Home Depot and Atlanta Falcons owner Arthur Blank and comedian game show host Steve Harvey. If you play your cards right at the neighborhood barbecue, you could end up watching an NFL game from the owner's box. You could get a spot on Family Feud, or maybe land a lucrative government contract. This is 3225 West Paces Park Court Northwest, listed for $4.5 million by Quinning Wrong with Keller Williams, North Atlanta. You're greeted by a spectacular two-story entry foyer, and check out this power wood-paneled office. This is where you would sip Pappy Van Winkle with Mr. Blank and share your thoughts on who the Falcons should draft next. Your ideas could probably help more than you think. You've got an elegantly handcrafted formal dining room for hosting dinners with the governor, an architecturally stunning curved staircase, and designer parquet hardwood floors. I think you'll find the size more than adequate. It's 6 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, 10,300 square feet of living space on just over 3/4 of an acre. You'll notice there's intricate millwork everywhere you look, bullnose cornered drywall, really an exceptionally high level of finishes. The kitchen has rich dark cabinetry, a huge granite island, a really awesome custom vent hood over the Wolf gas range. There's an integrated Sub-Zero refrigerator, oversized farmhouse sink. I always request that there be chilled champagne and heavy hors d'oeuvres available for my tours. I never actually partake, but I think it adds a little panache. The kitchen opens to a warm and inviting family room with its floor-to-ceiling brick fireplace, a dedicated breakfast room for your daily family meals. And this door leads to a really unique hybrid indoor-outdoor living space. This was a deck that has been enclosed with exposed brick and an awesome fireplace. I really don't even know what to call that room. I would make up something, but you guys are too clever. Someone would call me out on it. Here's one of the many options the home provides to enjoy outdoor living. Big covered deck overlooking a truly gorgeous heated saltwater pool. As always, I'll go down and give you a closer look at the pool and the grounds. The backyard's pretty phenomenal. It's incredibly private for in-town living. Privacy is something you often have to sacrifice when you live inside the perimeter. Through the kitchen, there is a mudroom with a drop zone just off the 3-car garage. You've got a command center for running your domestic enterprise and a space that doubles as a scullery and laundry room. It's one of 2 laundry rooms in the home, and the scullery is very handy for hosting your lavish soirees. It's a fantastic layout for entertaining, and Buckhead is Atlanta's social mecca. You can invite your famous neighbors, plus Cardi B, Offset, Elton John, T.I. They all own homes in Buckhead and should be on your invitation list. And of course, we're always happy to celebrate with you. We have gotten over 1 million views on some of our videos, so we could be considered Z-list celebrities at this point. This is the entry vestibule for the primary suite. It has access to its own private deck overlooking the pool and the beautiful backyard. This would make a pretty nice bedroom in a lot of homes. Here, it's like an airlock preparing you to dive in to the grand primary suite. 12-foot ceilings, custom millwork, an ornately carved fireplace, access to the private back deck, lots of big windows for natural light, plantation shutters for sleeping in. I think you could be comfortable here. The ensuite bath is equally impressive in both size and finishes. Hey there. Not only do you have his and hers vanities, a whirlpool tub, and an over-the-top frameless glass shower, a very cool modern design. There's also a rare feature we don't see often enough, his and hers water closets. Sharing a toilet with your spouse can often drain the magic from a marriage. His and hers water closets keep the magic alive. You also have his and hers walk-in closets, both with built-in organization systems. And you have a custom built-in dressing area. Pro tip from a man who's been married for 25 years, when your wife is sitting here and tells you she'll be ready in 15 minutes, you still have time to watch at least another 7 innings of the Braves game before you're actually going to leave. And that's okay. You can't rush perfection. I'm going to run upstairs, show you the upper level. There are 4 bedrooms on the upper level. Each has an ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet. The design of the upper level landing is really unlike any home we've ever toured. Look at this amazing 10-sided dome. It rises from the center of the ceiling, giving the home a really distinctive, visually interesting exterior focal point and a jaw-dropping interior focal point. The property is zoned for the highly sought-after Jackson Elementary School, also Sutton Middle School and North Atlanta High School. You're also very close to the big three Buckhead private schools, Pace Academy, Westminster, and Lovett. Pace Academy is just down the street on West Paces. Westminster and Lovett are each less than 10 minutes away. You're a short walk away from several great dining and shopping options, including the Atlanta institution OK Cafe. It's an old school Southern diner, well known for its literal money tree in the center of the restaurant. A lot of major business deals have been transacted during breakfast or lunch under the shade of the money tree. Another Atlanta institution, the upscale casual Houston's, is just across the street. You also have Chick-fil-A, a Georgia classic, Pero's Pizza, Whole Foods, Publix, all just a few minutes walk from your front door. A very short drive down West Paces takes you to the heart of Buckhead. Most of in-town Atlanta's premier dining and shopping options are located here. There's Buckhead Village, a luxury outdoor 6-block enclave with cobblestone streets, a real European aesthetic. It's nationally known for its high-end designer boutiques and exclusive retail concepts. You've also got Phipps Plaza and Lenox Square malls, longtime Atlanta shopping destinations. And of course, there are more great restaurant options that I could possibly name during the scope of this tour. Throw in Cherokee Town Club, Chastain Park, a couple of branches of the Chattahoochee River National Recreation Area, and you start to get a feel for the scope of the amenities. The fully finished walkout basement gives you tons of additional space for everyday family life and for entertaining. This would be your base camp for hosting pool parties. Also excellent space for a teen takeover when their friends flood into the house. There's a really well-designed drop zone for when you come in from the pool. You've got a dedicated home gym to keep the good life from catching up to your midsection. Plenty of space for weights and cardio equipment. This bathroom is really perfect for serving the pool. You've got dual vanities and a huge shower, a large bench making it easy to change, hooks for wet swimsuits and towels, really everything you and your kids need when you have your friends over to swim. The terrace level space is very flexible. You can configure it in a lot of different ways depending on your family's needs. You've got a really awesome full kitchen, wine storage, refrigerator, wet bar. It's really perfect for entertaining guests of any age. You can have a great party for adults, for teenagers, for younger kids. They can spend hours in the pool, then come in and play ping pong, video games. There's dedicated dining space for snacks or to cut a birthday cake. And of course, you've got an excellent home theater room. Like I said, it's great space for entertaining family or friends of any age, whether they're in the juice box, White Claw, or Cabernet stage of life. If you happen to be in the stage of life where multi-generational living is a need, the space can easily be configured to accommodate that. All right, let's go outside and take a closer look at the pool and the backyard. First, you've got a big covered patio with a TV when you need to take a break from the sun. You've got the beautiful heated saltwater pool and spa. You can enjoy a pool and spa like this almost year-round in Atlanta. The landscaping and mature trees are beautiful and they give you amazing privacy for an in-town home. You've got a lovely flat grassy yard that would be fun for kids and pets. And you even have a zen-like walking path through your little patch of forest. I'm Brian Pruitt. My wife Kelly and I are local realtors. We would love to show you this amazing Buckhead estate in person. Our contact information is the link in our bio. I really hope you enjoyed the tour.